Again, bonjour mes amis. Welcome to France. This is our first hotel and we've just had our brekkie. It looks like it's going to be a nice day today, so we've got plenty of sunshine out there. I'll see you back up bike in a bit. Bike found a friend overnight, look. Found a V-Strom to keep it company all night. Let's hope it starts this morning though. I hope it starts because we've had trouble with battery for the day. Still locked up. Anyhow, we're going to get packed up and get on the road. Yeah, so that's us for this morning. And yeah, we'll get on the road, see what we see. So, looks very nice, looks a nice place to stop. And it's Sunday morning, so it's very peaceful. Right, we're in Cambrai. Just stopped to get some fags. We would have had a coffee, but we don't need one just yet. Look at that. Trike. Alright, but you can't get through traffic with them. But yeah, it looks like a nice spot. Nice Sunday morning.
Have you seen the staple on that?
Yeah.
They got some nice little statues on it. The bell rang at 1:30.
Yeah. Look like they've got turbans on.
Have they?
They look like it. Yeah, nice spot. Anyhow, we're moving on. So I'll leave you on for a bit and then we'll see where we get to. Yeah, okay dear.
You're ready to put bloody stand up. I thought you were leaving me behind.
Got a wasp fucking around. Right. So they've got all flags up for some reason.
In 500 meters, turn left onto Place de la Porte de Paris.
This was just a little detour here, because we could have stayed on the same road.
In 400 meters, turn left onto Place de la Porte de Paris, then head round.
Now we're going, look at this little tunnel bit here, there. Joe. 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 In front.
Oh yeah.
Turn left onto Place de la Porte de Paris, then head for roundabout. At the roundabout, take the third exit, down Alani Behe.
Yeah, just a nice little, just a little detour through Cambrai, just to see what's what. Ah, look at this old car here. It's nice to see them still going, isn't it? Don't you just love French roads? Look how quiet they are and how good they look, especially with these avenues of trees. So I've got a car following me. He's been there for a while. I think it might be a copper. Police at back of me all that way. They were following me and I was speeding. Go on, get off. He's probably going to set himself up down the road somewhere with camera, and then we'll be screwed. But yeah. So we're here parked next to a bin.
Next to a bin on the side of a road.
Yep.
You might park me somewhere nice one day.
Parked next to a bin. And I don't think, I'm not sure, that the fucking sound thing's fucking working again. Why does it keep stopping?
If we'd have been in the car, I'd have been asleep by now.
Yeah, it's not on again. I didn't know that it was a copper. Blue car with a load of stripes up front. It looked more like a van than anything. And I was slightly speeding, but not going mad, so it didn't bother me. But where we pulled up, I just seen a big speed camera there. Someone's painted it all pink over viewing bit. So he's gone past us, but he might be likely to be setting himself up further down the road. So I'm just going to keep my eye out for a bit. See that speed camera warning for the next 40 kilometres. They don't really stand out as much as ours if you've not seen them before. time I see one, I'll point it out to you. If I see it, that is. I might not see it. They're just like big bloody boxes that are low down. Ours are obviously well visible. Yeah, if I were a copper I'd set up at bottom of a hill somewhere. Good cafe on the right, apparently. So Satnav just told me there's a good cafe on the right. It's Sunday though. Keep turning me heated grips off and then my hands start to feel cold. But it's 17 degrees now. Yep. If it hadn't been for speed cameras, these would be fucking cracking roads. Yeah, I know, because people were enjoying themselves too much. And they thought, hey, oh, we can make some money out of this. That's what they thought. There shouldn't be that many bodies if you aren't going fucking stupid. What does? Yeah. Yeah, it looks like England, doesn't it? Well, we're still in northern France, so yeah, it does look like England until we start getting further south. How we're doing for fuel anyway. 4 bars. It says I've got 264 kilometres left. until it runs out of fuel. Are getting too fucking hot again. I can't adjust these grips, they're either red hot or not. Well, it is, they've got two settings. One, they're hot and your hands get hot. Two, your hands fucking burn. There's no in between. Unless I update the software on this fucking bike, because you can adjust it on newer ones. If you update the software, you can adjust it on these. You get more settings. It'd be nice if I knew where all fucking cameras were, if there is any. I got shit all over the road here, look. Seen sign for cameras, we haven't seen any cameras. Nah, they're not. It's in big metal boxes like we saw. Yeah. But I just don't see them. Right, there's a parking place coming up. That last one were in a parking place, so do they stick them in fucking parking places? No. They were a crap parking place anyway. Nests?
Yeah.
I don't think they are. I think it's just how they've been growing. It's how they're growing. Turned sign upside down. Longybogney.
Farmers coming up.
Longybogney. That's what they call this place.
You try saying it properly.
Longybogney. Like that place has been on fire. In front of us. Oh, they're just demolishing it.
Just get demolished.
We're going to have to get some fuel shortly, dear. If we ever find out where fucking fuel stations are, if I ever see a fuel station, fucking ass. I was hoping that there might be a fucking fuel station there. This is a more what they call it road, busier road, isn't it? So there might be one on this. Motorway then. Hopefully there'll be a services on here. Got about half a tank, just under half a tank of fuel. Now we're not like running out and all. The arms a rest. It's even open. Looks like it's a card one. Yep. Yeah, I just want to say we're in here. This is a little French boudoir that we found in the middle of nowhere, didn't we?
Yeah.
So it's quite a nice room in middle of nowhere. It's a old farm or something. We'll go have a wander around, have a look at some animals and shit like that. It's been a long day, mainly back country roads, but a lot of motorway. So more motorway tomorrow, but we'll catch
Yeah,
up
'cause
with
I've
you.
had enough of looking at farmers' fields.
But we'll catch up with you in the morning. All right. See you later.